So, as part of our outdoor activities at the nature school, which we used to operate on Sundays, every Sunday. So, today we added one more activity in Pampore, Karaivas. Like we brought the students, green ambassadors, and volunteers from our nature school to this beautiful Karaivas to pluck the saffron flowers, because our saffron flower is ongoing in Pampore, started from October 20th. So in this process today we added this activity to give exposure to our beautiful students about the heritage crop saffron. You can see how they are enjoying in the mid of the saffron fields. There was a brief introduction about the saffron and the saffron fields and the history of saffron, given by our worthy Secretary General, Youth Parliament of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Adil Ahmed Bhatt, who is the certified climate leader also. So we'd like to add more activities as such every Sunday. So we look forward for more enthusiastic students, stakeholders and concerned citizens to be the part of the nature school. Thank you so much. Have a good day.